The town is flooded because of this one creek. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. This hasn't happened for years. The whole town is flooded. Like, holy crap. One morning you wake up and there's a foot of water on the ground. It's just normal in Idaho. Wow. Oh, gotta protect the bar. Make sure that, you know, you have sand blocks. Prevent it from... People gotta still drink, you know. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Just insane. People, oh my gosh. People's living rooms, for God's sake, are just about flooded. Look at that. All the way up to the door. Oh, here we go again. Wow. Look at us, little teensy cars making it through. Over here, flooding. Insane. I think it's kind of cool, but I think it really sucks. But it's kind of cool because I get to actually see this with my own eyes. The last time this happened, I was actually living in Boise, and my mom sent me pictures on Facebook of Stites flooding, and I didn't believe it. But I guess it's true. It really does happen.